Today, I'll be explaining the impact of romantic relationships on academic performance. Our main research objective for this paper is to investigate whether romantic relationships can affect adolescents' academic achievements. We also want to explore other influences such as from parents or peers and how they affect an adolescent's educational outcome. Past research has suggested that adolescents and their emergence to adulthood plays a crucial development stage on their romantic relationship formation, due to the increase in intimacy and affection compared to friendship. Secondly, we also want to study whether if romantic relationship is a potential distraction for academic pursuits, as adolescents may face the dilemma of prioritizing their time to be with their partner or studying. However, previous studies suggested a negative correlation between time invested in a relationship and academic achievements.
Okay, guys, now let's talk about the literature review. The first subpoint is the influence of family on academic performance of adolescents in romantic relationships. From this subpoint, we found that there are three main ideas involved thereof. The first one is improve academic results of adolescents. The second is emphasize the cognitive abilities of adolescents. And the last one is promote the relationship of teachers and students. The reason why uh, family could improve academic results of adolescents is the previous studies indicate a strong correlation between parental influence and the academic achievement of adolescents involved in romantic relationships, such like they can nurturing family environment improve academic results of adolescents. And the second one is emphasize the cognitive abilities of adolescents by family support. They can enhance feeling of competence of adolescents and offer guidance and stability to romantic relationships, such like help adolescents to how to handle the emotional issues. And the last one, family could offer a safe space for love relationships, which will cause a more pleasant and productive learning environment for adolescents. According to the previous study, the influence of family on young people, which is in romantic relationships, is linked to better student teacher connections, which is in turn boosts academic achievement better. And the second subpoint is the influence of friendship on academic performance of adolescents in love. And we found that there are two main ideas involved this subpoint. The first one is the influence of friendship could enhance internal values and emotional results of adolescents. The second one, we found that the degree of student participation and perception of same-gender friends' academic supports are positive relative. From these two, points, we found that it is indicates that while romantic partnerships provide emotional support, friendships also could have a greater influence on teenagers in romantic relationships, academic success. And now let's move to the next point. And when it comes to the third subpoint, which is called the influence of gender on academic performance of adolescents in romantic relationships, we found that female students exhibit a greater tendency to attribute power over their own lives to internal factors. It is different from male students. And besides that, male students have a diminished utilization of crucial learning strategies in comparison to females, which is may potentially impact to their academic accomplishments. Well, although the girls exhibit greater accountability for academic shortcomings and deploy more effective cognitive motivational strategies, their superior performance in literature topics does not result in considerably higher grades in mathematics. And these findings emphasize the complex connection between motivation, gender, and academic discipline, underscoring the need for more research to comprehensively examine these connections. Now, let's move to the next part.
In conclusion, this research was conducted to explore how romantic relationships influence students' academic performance and also to identify key factors affecting the outcomes such as from family support and gender differences. Our findings concluded that romantic relationships doesn't really play an important role in the students' academic achievements. On the other hand, we found out that the same-sex friendship significantly enhances the academic engagement alongside their academic achievement among adolescents in romantic relationships. Furthermore, family support plays a crucial role in developing cognitive abilities and ultimately the students' academic achievement. Lastly, gender disparities also highlighted varying cognitive motivational patterns and the academic outcomes, which necessitates the need for better support and regulation for better academic performances. Thank you.